नमः शिवाय शिवजी सदा सहाय। ॐ नमः शिवाय गुरुजी सदा सहाय। Jai Guruji. Today we are going to hear very briefly about importance and greatness of Shiv Puran. Especially it holds a very strong meaning and its strong importance in this age of Kali Yuga. Let me tell you few lines that I read in Gurbani. It says that Bhai Parapat Manukh de Buriya Gobind Milan ki eh teri bariya. So it's written in Gurbani where Guru Nanak ji is giving discourse, and he's telling that the reason why we have taken a human form, there is a reason behind it, and the reason is that it's only in this human form that we can connect to the God. So it is our turn now that we've been blessed with a human form, that we connect with the Almighty, who is the creator of this entire universe, know more about him and seek his blessings. And what could be, better way than connecting with Shiv Puran to know who the creator is, how this universe is made, and how to seek liberation and salvation. And especially Shiv Puran amongst all Purans holds highest seat because this Puran was written by God himself, Shiv Baba himself, and hence this has a great importance in Kali Yuga for all of us. So when you read or listen to Shiv Puran or even watch some of the episodes that you find in coming in television, you will get introduced to some characters. For example, Sanat Kumar, Suji, or Rishi Vyasa, or Shaunak ji. Let me just, since we will be reading about them, we will keep hearing about their names on and off as we keep progressing in reading and hearing Shiv Puran. So it will be good to know who they all were and why do we find them in Shiv Puran. So Shiv Puran, as I mentioned, it was written by Shiv Baba himself, Mahashiv, and when he wrote it, it comprised of 12 compendiums, that is 12 books, and it had 100,000, that is 1 lakh verses. Later on, Sanat Kumarji, he actually permitted Rishi Vyasa to retell the entire Shiv Puran for benefit of those who are seeking liberation and salvation. Now, Sanat Kumarji is one of the sons. He is one of the Manas sons of Brahmaji. Manas Putra are the ones who are born with mind. So there is no conjunction, but they are born with mind. And Sanat Kumar was one of those 4 Manas Putras. And he is the one who permitted Rishi Vyasa to then retell Shiv Puran to all of us. Now, while he was writing it, he consolidated it. So he consolidated it to then from 12 compendiums to 6 compendiums, that is 6 books. And he actually consolidated 100,000, that is 1 lakh verses, to 24,000 verses. So it became very simple for people like us to go through it, understand and receive blessings of the creator of the universe. And when you read different chapters of Shiv Puran, you will find that there is a conversation taking place between Suji and Shaunak. Now, who is Shaunak? Shaunak is a person, or Shaunak is a man who is just like us, who is more eager to know how to receive salvation, and he is mentioning that in this age of Kali Yuga, everyone is deprived of good deeds, and there is always an anxiety, curiosity. There is no peace amongst people. There are so many diseases, and how to get rid of all of these miseries, how to be detached while still living in this wonderful life and still enjoying it, but remain detached. And out of his curiosity, Shaunak ji is conversing with Suji, And Suji is then describing that Shiv Puran is the only one that we can seek refuge to and get liberated. And Suji refers to, or it represents, a class or community of people who are enlightened, who are elevated souls, and they are the ones who have great in depth knowledge about Puranas. And hence, in different chapters, you will always find conversation between these two, Suji and Shaunakji. Um, I think that's all in this brief about Shiv Puran. And it needs a re-emphasis that since Shiv Puran has been written by the creator of the universe himself, and now that we've been blessed with a human form, and this is the form in which we can actually, we've got all those senses that enables us to get connected with God. Shiv Puran is the best medium to receive salvation, to receive liberty, and get liberated from all miseries. So, Sangatji, please do find out some time to read or listen Shiv Puran. Jai Guruji.